Hey everybody, back out for another camp. And it's getting windy and some rain's coming, so I went ahead and tried to get my shelter up quickly so I could be out of the elements when it hits. Just wanted to say hey, and hope everyone's doing well, and I'll catch back up with you in a little bit. Well, for the next couple hours it's supposed to be fairly windy and rainy. So I brought a tarp with me. I'm going to go try to find a couple trees and set up a little bit of a shelter. The tent that I have, the brown one that I've had in a couple videos, is really not great in the wind. It's flopping around all over the place, and I don't have room to really sit up underneath of it. So I'm going to go try to set something up that gives me a little bit of room and maybe a little bit of cover when it starts raining. There's a lot of YouTubers that I watch and really enjoy their content, and a lot of them that are doing this full-time now would, many of their earlier videos, they would, work their jobs like I do and head out and try to beat weather and darkness, get their shelters and everything set up. And I've got a lot of respect for that kind of stick-to-itiveness and what it takes to actually do that, because I'm having a rough time getting set up here in a rush. My stakes that I use for the tent don't fit through my tarp holes, my grommets. It's just a Home Depot tarp for right now. I want to get more into tarp setups and tarp camping and things like that, but I'm just kind of breaking into that a little bit right now. So you got to improvise, right? So I got a couple sticks, common sense, right? But till you get out here and try it and have to experiment with different things, it's a lot of learning curves, at least that I'm experiencing. So I'm going to shave down these twigs that I got and stake out the back of this tarp and try to get the front tied up. So it's not pouring. It is raining, but it's not pouring. I should be able to make it to my truck. But I completely forgot that I have a rake in the back of my truck and my little log that has a carrying handle on it. So I'm gonna go get those couple things and I'm gonna bring those back here and make some tea. It's still raining pretty good. I think the wind has died down a little bit. It's still a little bit gusty here and there, but it's pretty calm. I think I'm gonna go ahead and set the awning back up on the tent so I can get my bed set up. I can start making some dinner, getting hungry. glad I brought this poncho. It's only supposed to rain for a couple hours, but it's probably going on 3 hours now, raining. So I got everything pretty much moved back under the main tent. This is a good tent, but I don't think it suits me that well. It's a lot of staking and guy out points, and it's just too low for me. I'm not an old guy, but I can't crawl around. I see a lot of guys and gals use this particular tent a little more effortlessly. It's hard for me to, you know, crawl around on my knees and stay bent over for a long time, you know, getting everything set up and situated. Not old, but I'm not super young anymore, so I think over the spring and summer, in order to be better prepared for next fall and winter's campouts, I'll do some research. If you guys have any recommendations of things that you use that might be a little bit less cumbersome, let me know in the comments. I'd love to do some investigating and see what we can come up with for next year. But I'm going to get the little fire pit. I bring that with me every time. I love that. It's not super cold, but it has been raining for the last, you know, couple hours or so, and as the temperature dips a little bit, I am getting a little bit cold, so a fire will, I feel, really good and help me dry out a little bit. I brought a couple cheddar brats and some ramen soup for tonight, so I'm gonna get started on that. Well, dinner's done. I ate one of my cheddar brats and some ramen. It was really good. Hit the spot. I'm starting to get tired a little bit. I'm going to sit by the fire here for a little bit, relax, enjoy the peace and quiet, and then I'm going to head on off to bed. Hope everybody had a great day. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Beautiful sunrise this morning. It's going to be a really nice day. You'll see that a little bit there.